Hi, we received this MacBook Pro 2012 from a client. It says it has a display issue. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the machine and then check what exactly is the problem. So press power button and then hold the option key and see. So it turns on and then you can see the screen. There are several lines on the screen. You see? So it has a VGA problem, a graphics problem. So normally on these machines, all what we do is just convert the graphics and use the Intel side. So we're gonna open this machine and then start. The last screw is to get this thing off. Yes. So we have to disable battery unplug, and then we disable the PCH. I think this is the core for the PCH, so you'll reheat a little bit, preheat the board, reheat the board. And then now I have a little cable I've designed to do the JTAG. So we have to program this GMUX chip. So this is the chip, and then right here on the board view is located here. So we have the JTAG for the GMUX. So we have to arrange and then program. And the last cable to go. Yeah, so I already know the names of the cable, so I will explain it in my next video. Pin 1 goes to pin 1 on the SVOD lock, and then our power to power the machine. Okay, then you open the software, the SVOD software, and then you select. Now you plug your charger and you read, and then you save. And you open, then you write. It's done. So turn off the machine. Unsold. And then you disable the graphics card. preheat a little bit. And then you put back the coil. So we're done. A little bit of alcohol. Okay, so we turn it on and see if you have a good display. Option. We have a bright screen and everything is okay. So this is how to convert the 2011-2012 graphics card.